Hey everybody, I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today I'll be taking a closer look at our Contour electric fan assembly and the exclusive mounting solution. Contour fans have been around, well, since the Ford Contour made its debut in 1995. It's still unknown as to why and how the electric fan from a Contour made it into a Fox body Mustang, but I'm sure some enthusiast was onto something whenever they had the idea to convert to electric fans. So throughout the years, the Contour fan upgrade has been a go-to for many Fox owners wanting to upgrade their cooling system. The overall dimensions for this assembly is 24¼ inches wide, 16¾ inches tall, and just 3½ inches deep. This will ensure that the assembly will provide plenty of coverage over most Fox-style radiators and proper clearance for front-end accessory drive components. What I like about the Contour fans is not only its high CFM rating, but the factory look and appeal you get with this assembly versus other offerings. Now, for those of you that have followed us for quite some time now, know that we like to solve problems and offer industry-leading solutions. Well, the missing link to the popular Contour fan upgrade has always been an installation kit. For the longest time, people had to build makeshift brackets to install their fan assembly, and I'm sure there are several of you out there that don't have the stuff in the shop or your garage to build these brackets. So fast forward to today, and we have developed our exclusive Contour fan installation kit specific to the fan assembly we currently offer. The kit includes two black powder coated brackets that are symmetrical in design and will install either at the top or the bottom of the fan assembly. All hardware is included to bolt the brackets to the radiator and the fan assembly to the brackets. We include two pigtails so that you can properly wire the fans to a controller of your choice. The last piece of the puzzle is a nice overflow tank bracket, 1/4 inch overflow hose, and overflow tank hardware. All of this is easily installed, and you can print our detailed instructions from the Contour fan installation kit product page. One thing to make note of is that because this fan assembly is originally intended for a Ford Contour, you will need to cut any extra mounting tabs from the shroud. This is easily done with a small body saw or hacksaw. You'll also need to wire in a high-quality fan controller of your choice. Currently, our go-to solution for this is the Dakota Digital controller. We like this controller a lot because of how easy it is to wire up, and the overall presentation of the part is very straightforward. Not to mention, most of the adjustments can be made with your smartphone and Bluetooth via their accessory app. This controller and the relays will easily support the amp draw from the Contour fans, which is approximately 15 to 20 amps of continuous draw per fan. I would recommend the kit that comes with two 70 amp relays, that way each fan can safely operate on its own relay. Also included with the fan controller kit is a Dakota Digital temperature sender that has a dedicated feed wire and ground wire. So before I sign off, feel free to check out our other videos where we discuss the installation steps on this kit as well as the wiring portion. And if you haven't already, upgrade to a 130 amp alternator before converting to electric fans. All this cool stuff I talked about in this video can be found on our website. For the most current product information, pricing, and the availability on anything you saw in the video, always reference LMR.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Fox body content and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you guys know what to do by now. For all things Fox body Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.